Hey everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrograno here with a Weather Now update for you on this Saturday morning, looking at blue sky, sunshine, much cooler air in place for today. So have that jacket with you as you go outside for any reason. Gusty winds out there, making it feel colder. You can see the winds here really blowing here in Newport Harbor. Again, those gusts as high as 20, 30, even 35 miles per hour. We've seen a bit during the morning hours here. Temperatures now rising into the mid and upper 40s across the board. We'll pretty much only top out in the upper 40s and lower 50s with a northwest wind really being persistent throughout the day. So much cooler air in place across the region. Live radar, dry, not seeing any rainfall, but because of the dry weather, red flag warning, remains in effect for the entire area until 6 p.m. this evening, because of the dry brush, the dry air in place, gusty winds, all factoring to kind of, potentially start or spark new brush fires, as well as make the ones that are already ongoing more difficult to contain. So avoid outdoor burning for today and tonight with the dry weather in place, and hopefully we can get some rain in here to kind of help at least, help temporarily. So fire risks the next couple of days. Seeing the risk on the very high side to even near severe for today into Sunday, and then maybe perhaps dropping off a little bit more as we go into Monday. And with all the dry weather, seeing the drought conditions continue and worsen as they do so. Moderate drought now for much of the area. You can kind of see there along the East Bay and points east, abnormally dry conditions, which is the level 1 for the drought, and even a severe drought from Boston over towards Worcester, a lot of part of central and eastern Mass, again, up north, seeing that severe drought, which is a level 3. And again, we're all kind of going in the wrong direction in terms of this. So we want to kind of get some rainfall in here as soon as we can to kind of help, reverse that trend, if you will. This morning, though, seeing those temperatures in the 40s, getting to about 50 degrees by noontime. And for the afternoon, like I said, topping out in the lower 50s. That's it for high temperatures. Wouldn't be surprised if some locations stay in the 40s for today. Sunset around 4:31, staying clear and chilly for this evening. For tonight, much colder air works its way in. So overnight lows by early Sunday morning, thinking some areas in the 20s, near freezing there. And looking at, again, clear cold conditions, but not as breezy, not as windy. So some good news there. At least we won't have the wind too much of a factor for tonight. And for tomorrow, increasing clouds on Sunday, but most of the day looks dry. Seasonable temperatures, upper 50s. Any rainfall does look to hold off until after dark and towards the evening and overnight hours as those winds become southwest. And then looking at, early showers Monday, giving way to clearing for Veterans Day. So that's a check of your Weather Now update. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your weekend. Take care.